Hi, this is a quick video about how to use Wevideo at Bethlehem Area School District as an instructor. And we're going to talk about some of the differences between our Wevideo and Wevideo videos you might see in the Wevideo website, especially as it relates to students. So Bethlehem Area School District has a premium subscription to Wevideo, this online video editor for teachers and students. So that means you get all the bells and whistles, but you need to log in with your Bethlehem account. So you're going to start by going to wevideo.com and then click on login. Choose the login with Google and make sure you choose your Bethlehem account. Here is the dashboard. The teachers and students both have almost the identical dashboard and all the capabilities, except teachers have this groups button up here at the top. Teachers can make groups to monitor the video creation process, sort of like Google Classroom. You have access to the document, you'll have access to the videos, so you can give feedback. You also have the ability to create projects that are collaborative, so students can work together on the same video. It's really up to the teacher on how they want to use it. So to create a group, you would click on the groups button, and then you see the groups that you have. You'll click on the plus sign and then give the group a name. I'm going to make one for my Block 3 class. And I'm going to give it the semester name so I know when this is taking place. You may be tempted to add students from this screen, and if you know that they've used Wevideo, you can go ahead and do that. If not, you can give them the code. So I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to click on Create. And here is the group. I'm going to click on it. And I can see a group code here. This is what you would supply to the students, and you would direct them to log into Wevideo just like I told you to. And then down in the lower left, you would instruct them to click on Join Group and then enter the code and then click on Join. They don't see the groups, but what they see will be the projects in the groups. So before you give them that code, I would recommend going into the group and creating a group project. So what I did was I went into groups, I found the group, clicked on it, and now I have Start Group Project. I'm going to give it a name. And here's where you have two options. And this is a little bit like the visibility. So if all of the students join the same group, do you want them to be able to see each other's videos or work together on one video? If so, click on Collaborative. If you just want to be able to go to that project and see all of your students' work in one place, and they can't see each other's videos, click on Shared. I'm going to choose that and I'm going to click on Next. Here you have the option of adding any media that you want to give the group that they could put into their project. Click on Next, and then I'm done. Click on Finish. So when the student joins that group, then you want to direct them, once you have that project there, you want to direct them to go to Projects. It will show you My Projects first, but since you created the project, you need to tell them to click on Shared with Me, and then the project should appear there. If it doesn't appear there for them, ask them to refresh their browser window, and it probably will appear there. So I want to show you now a couple of differences between teachers and students when creating a video. I'm just going to go into a particular video here. So one big difference is when you go to import, they have the ability to upload media here from their computer or import from Google. They do not have the ability to import from these other sources. Teachers do. So one tip may be that they create a folder in Google Drive to put all of their content in and curate it. And then when they get to this step, they choose the Google Drive option. The other place that it is different is when you want to finish a video, meaning you're taking it from this editing process and you're creating a final video file, like an MP4 file. You do that by going to Finish, and then you choose the thumbnail. You can give it a name. There's nothing really different here except here. Teachers have all of these destinations, which is it will be stored on Wevideo, Google Drive. This is YouTube. So students do not have YouTube. They do not have OneDrive or FTP as a destination. So just these two. But they do have this mark export as public. So this is another way that they can share video. Basically what happens is when you click on export, it's going to, when you go to the video, there's going to be a Wevideo link. They can share that link with someone as long as they make it public. So that's pretty much it. Those are the differences, and hopefully this helps you get started.